Animation tutorial. First, draw a drawing. Next, draw another drawing that looks similar to the first one. Make sure you're going somewhere. Add color to these drawings. You colored the wrong fucking thing. Stop. Good thing you fixed it. Animate. Draw. Playing out the animation might help you animate. Do not the animation. Make sure your animation is animated, not still. Please think this through. If you think your animation is good, you're wrong. Animation has a very strict set of rules to follow to create its existence.